This film is animal for like well-adjusted people who aren't prone to abject violence. It's Abhiman who needed that film to be explained to them simpler. This is everything that you see in the trailer. Hi, I'm Pratiksha Mishra and you're listening to my review of Mr. and Mrs. Mahi. At first I was like, दोनों का नाम माही है, sounds cute on paper, might get very confusing, but it's fine because their names are Mahindra and Mahima. These characters are played by Rajkumar Rao and Janhvi Kapoor. फिल्म दो चीज़ें एक साथ डील कर रही है. एक तो इट्स ट्राइंग टू बी लाइक द स्पोर्ट्स ड्रामा वेयर वी सी दिस वुमन हु इज द डॉक्टर ट्राइंग टू फाइनली अचीव हर ड्रीम ऑफ बिकमिंग क्रिकेटर, बट ये ड्रीम उसके हस्बैंड का भी है, सो ही वॉन्ट्स टू काइंड ऑफ वाइकेरियसली लिव थ्रू हर, सो इट्स ऑल्सो काइंड ऑफ अ रिलेशनशिप ड्रामा. While trying to do both of this, it doesn't actually manage to do either of them properly. The premise is very strong. It's very, oh, I wanted to be successful but I couldn't be. अब सब मुझे गालियाँ दे रहे हैं, but you kind of seem like you could be successful, so I'll push you, but it's from like a selfish need and that is not going to be great for our relationship. Pretty good. It sounds like something that people would write in those Reddit AITA threads. And yes, if the original poster was Mahindra, people would agree that yes, you are. Regardless though, टूवर्ड्स द सेकेंड हाफ ऑफ द फिल्म यू काइंड ऑफ स्टार्ट वंडरिंग कि इस फिल्म का प्रोटैगनिस्ट है कौन. ऐसा नहीं है कि दो लोग साथ में प्रोटैगनिस्ट नहीं हो सकते हैं किसी फिल्म के, इट्स पॉसिबल, बट दिस फिल्म डजंट सीम टू हैव मेड दैट डिसीजन येट कि या हमें इसको प्रोटैगनिस्ट बना है, उसको बनाना है या दोनों को बनाना है. सो एट ऑल पॉइंट्स दैट काइंड ऑफ टोनल शिफ्ट्स कीप्स हैपनिंग, सो दैट्स अ लिटिल कंफ्यूजिंग. द गुड थिंग हाउएवर इज द एक्टिंग इज नॉट बैड. द फर्स्ट हाफ इज मोस्टली राजकुमार राव बीइंग अ ब्रिलियंट एक्टर एंड ही इज जस्ट, उनको आप कुछ भी रोल दे दोगे तो वो कर देंगे. ही टेक्स दिस कैरेक्टर हु इज सो पैथेटिक एज अ पर्सन एंड ही स्टिल makes it seem थोड़ा सा believable. देखो, I understand his traumas are large. His father does not like him. His father is proud of everyone but him. उसको अब दीवार पे अपनी फोटो लगानी है and that forms essentially the major conflict in his life. But इसके बाद से the way his character turns out just feels kind of disappointing. When you are writing a character like this that is supposed to be heavy, बहुत trauma है, बहुत stress है उसको ज़िंदगी में, there would be something he would do that does not seem like something you've seen before. When his kind of sadness turns into aggression, you're like, okay, there's something new that we'll see from this character, but it later just kind of becomes predictable. आप फिल्म का ट्रेलर देख लोगे, then you will essentially be able to predict everything that's going to happen in the film. And despite it still being थोड़ा सा engaging, this does take away from a lot of the experience, because I was sitting behind two people who line by line started predicting the movie, and while that was very annoying, it still was a sign कि ये movie में ऐसा कुछ नया बचा ही नहीं है देखने के लिए. The first half still does a good kind of setup, however उसका pacing is slow. Second half का pacing is good, but everything starts to seem episodic. जैसे कि आपको दादी बैठ के एक story बता रही है, but it's just one anecdote after the other. There is no time for you to actually feel anything. If I was to believe that this is a utopia where she's left her job as a doctor to become a female cricketer, and that is something that she's not thinking twice about, for that the film still had to give me more setup. यहाँ पे उनकी एक अच्छी खासी नौकरी है, she's working as a doctor, sure her boss is not that great, and he also has kind of a stable job with his father. Both of them together decide कि हम अपनी नौकरियाँ छोड़ देंगे. Fine, great, sounds great for social media, but nobody at any point stands to think कि घर पे कल से खाना कैसे आएगा. That one question never shows up in the film. They're never stressed. The only stress is कि this person wants to become famous, he's using his wife for fame and she gets upset about that. One thing is I don't watch a lot of sports films, so I get very easily swayed by the जीतेंगे नहीं जीतेंगे kind of thing. That also honestly is very easily spoiled, but फिर भी the effect is there. However, when films like Ghumar and Maidan have come out, films like this just don't match up to that kind of excitement that these created. Maidan ka just sports choreography and cinematography was brilliant, and it just kind of, no matter how the film is, it just drags you in. And in Ghumar, we saw how the story's emotional arc was so good कि चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, you're still very, very invested. Mr. and Mrs. Mahi में both of these are a little lacking. The cinematography isn't bad as such, but it does not shift from like drama cinematography to sports cinematography. At some point when the shift does happen, you just feel like you're watching Dhadak again, but Janhvi Kapoor is there and the other actor is now Rajkumar Rao. That kind of just shift in the film is very jarring. Mr. and Mrs. Mahi, if I was to just see it as a viewer, isn't a bad film as such. You could still sit and kind of watch it as a one-time watch. Like I said, the performances do save it, but फिर भी there's the whole it's all about family. That sounds good as a tagline, but you need more to make a film work. कुछ तो ज़्यादा आपको दिखाना ही पड़ेगा, because otherwise it's everything just, why am I reading this as a children's book? Why is there nothing else that you're giving me? For instance, when Mahima decides that she's going to leave her job and become a female cricketer. Fair, great. And her husband is her coach, her 2-in-1. Absolutely valid. But the actual coach of the team is doing no coaching. All he does is yell at his players for not performing well. When players are interviewed in the film, the only player whose interview we see on screen is Mahima, and we see it on prime time news, which is famously not a spot that people allow for women's sports, sadly. ठीक है. Again, if this is a utopia, fine, let's consider that for a second. Mahima's emotional journey is constantly overshadowed by her husband saying कि तुम ये कर लो, वो कर लो. Even to tell her to make your own decisions, her husband needs to come in. And there is just the corniest of dialogues. Some of the screenplay is still fine, it's still engaging. The dialogues are also cute. When they're both interacting with each other, the chemistry is there, but there are these तुम जूता हो तो मैं लेस हूँ, तुम गाड़ी हो तो मैं पहिया हूँ types dialogues, which again just feel like they have been picked from 2007 Tumblr, which is not what I expect from 2024 films. The only other thing that I did kind of like is the music in the film. It's not that bad. The background score is also quite decent. In times it can feel a little hammy, but otherwise it seems pretty well balanced, तो वो अच्छा था. Mr. and Mrs. Mahi is basically a love child of Abhiman and Ghumar, and they were raising this child but just gave up midway. That's what it feels like. It's not a bad film as much as it is an incomplete film. The one thing I would say is that Rajkumar Rao truly can make you believe that his characters are sad, because I felt so bad for him constantly, and when he does switch into that aggression, you very instantly feel the kind of anger and resentment you're supposed to feel towards him with the mix of empathy. Another thing, जैसे कि हमारे Hollywood and Bollywood में scream queens हैं, I feel like Janhvi Kapoor has kind of perfected the art of crying on screen. And while this is not something to rejoice, it's just good. In a film like this, where emotional arcs and emotional heft is kind of absent, when you finally get a moment जहाँ पे दोनों अच्छे actors काफ़ी अच्छी तरीके से या तो गुस्सा है, नाराज़ हैं, सब कुछ portray कर पा रहे हैं, it still saves the film a little bit. Mr. and Mrs. Mahi should have either been a relationship drama or a sports drama, because doing both just makes it seem like not much of either. That being said, if you do have free time, go watch Mr. and Mrs. Mahi. It's not a horrible film. I've watched much worse this week alone, I think. But it's just a film which essentially just wastes its potential. और इसमें काफ़ी अच्छे actors भी हैं जो आधे time या तो background में कुछ कर रहे हैं, or they're just like chewing mutter in the background for no reason. Give them more. Give them dialogues. Let your characters become characters. It's a good story, it's a decent premise, and also a very, very big missed opportunity to have that one ad where someone runs from the stands because their partner wins a cricket match. Even that would have been a much better ending, and that is why my rating for Mr. and Mrs. Mahi is 2.5 stars out of 5.